Managing a large capital construction program is complex. As a capital owner, you want to deliver your project safely and on time while meeting the needs of your constituents. Aurigo Masterworks gives you everything you need to manage every detail of your program, including cost and schedule management, construction administration, and enterprise workflow management. Masterworks is an all-in-one, powerful, secure platform available anytime, on any device, allowing you to bring your employees, consultants, and contractors together to work from a single source of truth. Public agencies have unique requirements that include obtaining specific approvals, incorporating public input, tracking equity and diversity, and managing various sources of funds. These requirements often lead to information being scattered across multiple systems, resulting in siloed teams and slowing down decision-making on your projects. Tight timelines coupled with budget and resource limitations only make running your program smoothly more challenging. You need best-in-class software built specifically to handle the complexities that infrastructure and facility owners face. Aurigo Masterworks Construction Project Management Solution brings together everything you need to plan, automate, and monitor your projects from pre-construction to closeout, connecting your field and back office teams seamlessly. Masterworks offers advanced financial management, enabling you to track budgets, funding, contracts, changes, and payments. Enterprise-level workflow management, allowing you to set up and maintain approvals, escalations, and notifications tailored to your agency's unique way of working. You can efficiently manage RFIs, submittals, pay apps, change orders, meeting minutes, and all other aspects of construction administration. Having consistent processes across your projects offers better visibility, speeds up onboarding time, and allows you to get more work done with fewer resources. Masterworks' powerful integration toolbox seamlessly connects with your existing enterprise systems, such as GIS or finance systems, eliminating data silos. Detailed schedule and resource management ensure you have the right team working together to meet project milestones. With Masterworks collaboration tools, you can keep all stakeholders on the same page regarding issues, next steps, and who's accountable for taking action. And it's all supported by Masterworks document management capabilities, with automatic version control and an audit trail of every plan, specification, estimate, and contract across your projects. With built-in electronic signatures, you can fast-track your approval processes and eliminate the need for paper-based documents, all while maintaining your necessary record-keeping compliance. Finally, configurable dashboards and reports provide both high-level and detailed insights into your program health, budget status, and progress on every project. You can easily keep track of available funding, DVE commitments, and resource availability across your program. Aurigo Masterworks is built on a highly robust cloud platform that has passed both FedRAMP and StateRAMP accreditation, the highest levels of security and reliability available to government agencies. Cloud computing offers a lower cost of ownership, makes the system easy to maintain, and allows your team to access information on their phones, tablets, or personal computers, enabling action in the office, at home, or in the field. Experience increased productivity, accelerated decision-making, and reduced risk, all on a single platform. Join the many public agencies Masterworks is helping deliver resilient and sustainable projects for their communities, including state DOTs, public works departments, water and wastewater authorities, and transit agencies. Contact us to speak with one of our capital program experts and schedule your free demo today.